Hello friends, I BHATIA welcome you to my YouTube channel Maths DNA from origin to infinity. In this video, we are going to discuss a question of real analysis, but before that, let me share something with you. We believe discipline turns the dreams into reality, and keeping that in mind, we are beginning 137 days, 137 tests with 1370 questions and detailed solutions for IIT JAM Mathematics as well as Csir-Net JRF and GATE Mathematics. For more details about this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number given below. Moving on to the question. The question is, let A and B be any two sets and define A delta B equals to A minus B union B minus A. Then which of the following statements is or are true? The options are option A delta B equals to B delta A. Option B, A delta B equals to A union B minus A intersection B. Option C, A delta B equals to A union B intersection A complement union B complement. And option D, none of them. I recommend you to pause the video over here and first try this question by yourself. Now, moving on to the solution. As per the given data in the question, we are given that option A, that is A delta B equals to B delta A. We have to check it. So A delta B is nothing but A minus B union B minus A, which is equals to B minus A union A minus B, as union of sets is commutative, and which is equals to B delta A. So option A is correct. Moving on to option B, A delta B equals to A union B minus A intersection B. Let us take an element x in A delta B, and as per the given question, A delta B is nothing but A minus B union B minus A. So x belongs to A minus B union B minus A, which further implies to x belongs to A minus B or x belongs to B minus A. It implies that x belongs to A and x does not belongs to B, or x belongs to B and x does not belongs to A. This simplifies to x belongs to A or x belongs to B and x does not belongs to A or x does not belongs to B. That is nothing but x belongs to A union B and x does not belongs to A intersection B, which implies x belongs to A union B minus A intersection B. We took an element in A delta B and we found that in A union B minus A intersection B. So A delta B is a subset of A union B minus A intersection B. Be very careful when you are solving with and or and belongs to and not belongs to. Now, taking an element x in A union B minus A intersection B and repeating the same process but in backward direction. So x will belongs to A union B and x does not belongs to A intersection B. That gives us x belongs to A or x belongs to B and x does not belongs to A or x does not belongs to B. Now and or are changed, so x belongs to A and x does not belongs to B, or x belongs to B and x does not belongs to A. That is nothing but x belongs to A minus B or x belongs to B minus A, and thus x belongs to A minus B union B minus A. That is again A delta B. So A union B minus A intersection B is a subset of A delta B. As both of the sets are subset of each other, clearly A minus A union B minus A intersection B will be equals to A delta B. Option B is also correct over here. Now moving on to option C. We have to check whether A delta B equals to A union B intersection A complement union B complement. We already simplified that A union B minus A intersection B equals to A delta B, and we will be using it so that A union B minus A intersection B and another property A minus B equals to A intersection B complement. That gives us A union B minus A intersection B equals to A union B intersection A intersection B whole complement. And now applying De Morgan's law over here, A union B intersection A complement union B complement. That is nothing but A delta B. Thus option C is also correct, and thus option A, B and C, three of them are correct. Thank you. And you can be a member of our social club and watch 540 plus videos on our YouTube channel and get a complete study material for any higher mathematics competitive exam from our WhatsApp group.